Okay, we're going to go over how you're going to be saving your websites for the Planet project, and you're going to be probably either using Safari or Chrome, so we're kind of go through each and some differences between the two. So the idea here is that you're going to be saving any websites that you find for the information for your questions in diigo, and you'll be sharing it with other students. So the first thing you're going to notice is, how do I save websites in diigo? So there's going to be either be in Safari this diigolet, or you're going to see in Chrome this little D. So those are two places that will save to diigo. Now the one thing you want to remember is that you want to make sure you're signed in to your diigo account, and to do that you just kind of click on the D and it'll ask you for your sign-in information. So again, it's your information is by your clip login. Don't do Google, because when you log in you'll automatically be in the Mr. Garrison group. So what's the good of diigo? So if you started it at our Symbaloo page and you've kind of come across some links that you're interested in or some videos, you will save it. So let's say we went to Enchanted Learning and we planned for kids, and our question was, when did Galileo discover the rings of Saturn? Now remember, you want to make sure that you have two sources for each of your questions. So if we went to the first site and we looked and say we're looking at Saturn, it's like, oh, here we go, so Saturn's beautiful rings. So you can highlight the information, click on the diigo symbol, and you're going to hit save, and you're going to see Enchanted Learning, and what we highlighted shows up in the message here, and we can also tag it as Saturn. You're going to add to your group, so when your group is created, you'll see your group's name here, and so you will choose the group that you want to save to. If you save it for everyone, you just choose Mr. Garrison group and then hit save. Okay. Once you've done that, you'll see that we've pretty much got everything we want to. If you want to add, change the color, you can do that here. Again, that's just by highlighting it. You can also add text to this. Okay, and this, you can change this so it has allows other people to see it. I'm going to hit save. And that note is there and attached to this document. If you make a mistake, you can go to trash, and that pretty much gives you all the information. If you want to view it in the library, just click on the view in the library, and it will take you right to where you saved it. Again, we highlighted this part of the document, and then here's the little post-it that we added to it, and you can remove or change these things at any time, and also change the permissions for them. In Safari, it's going to work pretty much the same way. You want to make sure you're signed in, and when you're done with these, make sure that you actually sign out of your account, because you want to make sure that only you save your bookmarks only and not someone else's. So again, that was one source. Let's say we found another source of the rings, and we were reading through this document. It's like, oh, and here is another source for that same question. So again, highlight it. And this one, it's a diigolet, so click on it and let's go ahead and sign in. There we go. This one's a little different, but essentially the same. We're bookmarking it. We don't want it private. We can tag it Saturn. And you can see the information here. We want to share it to the group, so we'll share it to Mr. Garrison. Again, when you get your partners, you can share it with them. Hit save bookmark. And so that's essentially what you're going to be doing. If you have any questions, I'll go ahead and help you. So again, if you want to go through and highlight something, you can choose the color you want and change it around depending on your preference. You can add sticky notes to this, and a sticky note just means that it's something that will show up as this little symbol here. And again, you can change the setting so it goes to your group or your partners. Go ahead and post it. That means anytime anybody's in the Mr. Garrison class, if they come here, they're going to see this post. It will pop up and you highlight it. You scroll over it and it will show up. Okay, so that's essentially how you're going to be saving your information. Once you have everything bookmarked in diigo, it'll be very, very easy to go back and go to EasyBib and create the citations. So again, if you want to go directly to our group, it's here, and if you want to go to citation at the end, it'll be right here.